Got a 3.5 ton going in this mansion here in Woodbury. Second floor AC. Unboxed a cased coil. We're gonna stick it in here. I gotta go get my sawzall and hack these pipes out of the way. I thought about doing several different things, maybe putting a cased coil right inside there, but wouldn't fit, and opening up the back and sliding it in that way, but we got a door here that I can reuse, so I will just cut these pipes out of the way and stick it in the front. They're soldering this furnace, this first floor furnace. The inducer keeps coming on every 10 minutes or so. I just went up and looked at the stat. It's set to off. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's a problem. Anyway, yeah, got this cut. Now I can take the door off and get my coil in. Looks perfect. Nice and straight, not like its counterpart sitting next door. We had this little hose was plugged here. That's why that furnace kept going on and off. It's a zone system, so the basement heat was trying to come on, and I could hear that water sloshing in the inducer. And
now what? It's good, right?
So I talked to the homeowner. He's like, "Yeah, take a look at it." And so we just cleaned that drain and dump the water out of the inducer.
Okay, yeah, that's over here.
See if you can blow through that hose again.
Plug it back in again.
Alright, everything's clear. Plug that in at the bottom of that trap up here. And then go turn that stat to heat and let's see if she fires up. And I gotta finish this. Oh yeah, gas. It's a nightmare. The Lennox engineers are just brilliant. They put everything in your way, so you have to take the whole furnace apart when you work on them. Wrap. Done deal.
You did it, David?
Yeah.